We got ourselves a tough word problem here. Kevin writes the population of his city in the form of A times 10 to the fifth. He also writes the average income of the people in his city in the form B times 10 to the fourth. To find the total income for all the people in his city, he multiplies his two values. Kevin says his product will be in the form C times 10 to the ninth when it's written in scientific notation. Which statement explains whether Kevin is correct? So what we have to understand is I don't know what A is, I don't know what B is. But if we multiply this together, right? A times 10 to the fifth times B times 10 to the fourth. Oh, and what we're thinking is scientific notation thoughts. Let me get rid of that stray mark because I almost wrote that 4 in the wrong spot. If we're thinking scientific notation thoughts, technically what this is A times 10 to the fifth times B times 10 to the fourth. So if I want to, I can move stuff around and say A times B times 10 to the fifth times 10 to the fourth. So A times B is AB. I have 6 of those. Abs. Now when you multiply terms of the same base, you add the exponents. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So you get 10 to the ninth. Very good. So I don't disagree with Kevin. He said C. He said AB. Now he is saying that in order for this to be scientific notation, here's my issue. I got AB times 10 to the ninth. He got C times 10 to the ninth. His C and my A times B are the same. If you're going to keep it as scientific notation means that this number, the number in front of 10 to the ninth, has to be between 1 and 9.9999999. So C has to be smaller than 10, which means AB has to be smaller than 10. And so the one that works here is going to be Kevin is correct only if AB is less than 10. It's got to be bigger than 1, but you know, if you're going to have these numbers and this is scientific notation and that is scientific notation, then A and B are automatically bigger than 1. So I guess we don't have to worry about saying that. But A plus B less than 10 doesn't make sense. Not correct, no, he's good. Not correct, nah, he's good. Because we don't have any specific numbers. So yeah, very weird. Very weird problem. Didn't like it.